Good morning, students. This is Priyanshu, and today I'm going to talk about our Telangana State Board Mathematics Chapter 5 Quadratic Equation. So, in this video, I will tell the important question of this chapter, okay, and tell you the marks also, which question carry 2 marks, which question carry 4 marks, and 7 marks also, okay. So, I hope in the end of this video you will understand the important question from this chapter, and you will find the which question you have to practice more. And one more thing, in the end of this video, this chapter is very clear to you about the important questions, okay. So let's just start. So this is a practice questions. The question which is very important I mark with red pen, and the question which is only for practice I will mark with the this blue pen, otherwise I will just leave the question, okay. Right. So the sum of the root of the equation is given, so in this one you have to find. So listen, these are the 1 mark questions, okay. So in this one there is a definitely chance it will come in your objective or MCQ, MCQ 20 marks bit paper. In that it have chances it can come, okay. So let's see this. So here the question is given. The third question you have to practice because it have chances it come in your 1 mark, okay. First question you can practice, fifth one you can practice, and sixth one you can practice, and seventh one, and in this one you can practice this, okay. So indefinitely in one word I can say, whatever the MCQ you are looking, you have to just practice these questions, okay. This is an important question and you can just practice these questions, okay. And now I will tell, this is a very important, because in this one there is a chances it can carry 2 marks, otherwise it can carry the 4 marks. So that's why it is important. 16 one, so you can see that, okay. And now 18 one is also important, okay. It have chances to come in the 4 marks or 7 marks, okay. So once you have to be looked at, okay. Right. So let's come here. The area of rectangle or float, I don't want to go in this one, but I will tick this 2 question you can practice, and this one, and definitely you can, this is an important question. 16 was important, it will come in your 4 marks or it will in your 7 marks, okay. And this 14 was very important. 41 is very important, okay. VBA, this is very important, you have to practice this, okay. So this will definitely it will carry 4 marks or 7 marks, definitely it will be. This 25, very important, okay. This is very important, okay. Right. 16 one, same, very important, okay. So after that when you come to see the another question, so you can practice 28 one, and once 29 you can just practice that, and that's the 31. And after that find the root of quadratic equation. This one is important, you can practice this, you can practice, and this is important also, you can practice. Here we can practice, and this is important, you can practice this one. And in this 2 question you can be practice, otherwise you can leave it, okay. So now this is the next it is given. So in this one 14 was important, this is important, okay. So this 2 question is important, you read this 2 question very clearly, because it have chances it can come in your 4 marks, okay. 4 marks or 7 marks it can be carry, so you just practice these questions, okay. So I hope this is clear to you, and in the next chapter I will tell you the our chapter 6 progressions, the important questions, okay. So if you want to see that video, so in the description there is a link of the playlist. You can, when you click the playlist, you will find all the mathematics important questions chapter wise, okay. So I hope it is clear. So actually one more thing, from this our chapter 5, the question will rise from the 6 marks, okay. In this one it have chances, otherwise in this one they can ask a 4 mark question, otherwise they will ask you 7 mark question. So the weightage of this chapter is between 4 to 7, okay. Last weightage is 4 to 7, but the real number, the first chapter weightage is 10 marks, 10 marks confirm in the real numbers. But this chapter 2 marks will become, or 1 7 marks will come. In this both, one will be differently come. So the weightage of this chapter is 4 to 7 only. Okay, so I hope you will understand this, and if you have any kinds of doubt and if you are not understanding, then you just leave the comment. And I hope your examination of the 26th March could very interesting and very helpful for you, and all the best for your mathematics examination.